All right, 2015 Silverado. It's a little past 7 a.m. This is the baseline look on the suspension. We're going to be doing a 2-inch drop shackle and removing the rear blocks. And we have new shocks to put on the back also. Here is, we got Belltech. It's the drop shackle, and then the strut here. Street Performance. This is for the lowered 0 to 2 inches in the back. So headed to old buddy's house now to install these bad boys. Alrighty, made it to the shop. Time to install these bad boys. Thumbnail maybe? Okay, so to take out the original shackle here, you got to unloosen all this shit, but we can't get out this bolt here. Hey, quiet down over there. You can't get out this bolt here. This is through here. Comes in through here like so. So you got to loosen the trailer hitch, which is, it's not awful. It's 1, 2. These are those bolts there look like that. And then there's one here that it has a nut up there on the frame welded. And then there's these two here, which is this bracket. You take it out through the back.
Where's this from?
And then there's two that were hanging us up right here. Let me try. Right here. What size were those small ones, Joe? 12?
13.
13 millimeter little guy. So that's where we're at. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the drop shackles, and we should be good to go. So we take this bolt out. I'm guessing we'll have to lower the axle a little bit to get this out, but I don't know. We'll see. Let you know. All right, go ahead, Joe. So yeah, we took the bottom ones out. So now we're jacking up the rear axle to hopefully be able to get these top ones out. Ready?
We gotta hit that now?
I don't know. Yeah, probably lower it. We got to beat that pinch weld. Cut. Yeah, we'll be back. Okay, we're currently hitting that pinch weld or seam so we can get the top of the shackle up high enough to get the bolt out. This might not be the best method, but we'll be back when it's bent.
Maybe a smaller hammer.
We'll be back.
Dude, what?
All right, we got the seam bent up. We had to heat it up a little bit, and we just took the sledgehammer, and then you hold it in your hand, and I found it easier just to go like that against it. And so you got to do it enough to where you get the bolt out, and then now we're going to put the new drop shackle in. I'm just going to record, Joe, okay? Be careful, it's probably still hot. Here, if you scoot your ass, I can get it. Yeah, be careful though. Here. Ooh, it's hot up there. Ah! Alrighty, dropper, brother.
Holy shit.
Dude, it looks so good. It looks sick. Oh. What's up? We got carried away on this install and forgot to record a lot, but the key takeaway is to loosen up that trailer hitch and beat that seam in so you can get the bolts out easily. Everything else is smooth sailing. Here's some after shots of the install, and ride's really good, shocks are nice, and would recommend to a friend. Thanks for watching.